Umkhokha The Curse is letting more cast members go, and the latest exit is the one of Umbalengeba playing a character of Zodwa and Pikichang as playing a character of Mazungu. The latest exit that left fans unhappy was the one of Mbuso Khoza. Mbuso disappeared on the show for a very long time. We didn't know what was happening with the character. He then revealed later that he left the show and that his contract was not renewed. And as I have mentioned, Umkhokha fans were not happy to hear about this, me included. So ladies and gentlemen, recently there's been rumors that Hope Mpele, who plays the character of Mabusi, is also leaving the show. Well, I don't want to lie, signs that she's leaving the show are there. Also, I've been reading teasers of Umkhokha, and after reading the teasers, I got a little bit confused on Mabusi's future on the show. And what got me confused even further was seeing her on the theme picture of season 2. So, we don't really know what is happening or what is going to happen to her. I guess we're gonna have to keep on watching to find out. On Wednesday, the 6th of March, Isolezwe published an article that shocked most of Umkhokha fans, which is why I decided to create this video. What got me creating this video was an article that I read on Isolezwe. The article states that Zodwa has officially left Umkhokha together with Mazungu, which is a character that is played by Pinky Njangase. Honestly, ladies and gentlemen, I don't really know where Isolezwe got this news, and what I mean by that is, the news are not verified. I only read them from Isolezwe, and Isolezwe has tendencies of publishing news that are not verified. So this is a disclaimer. Even though I don't trust Isolezwe, but what they are saying makes sense to me. On one of the latest episodes, when the Kumere family went to Mzobe to dig Mzobe's grave, Zodwa decided that she's not going back to Durban with the rest of the family. She then said that she wants to stay and wait for answers from her father, since he had been visiting her on the dreams. So you'll probably know that Uzo Semakhaya and never see Umkhokha ever again. Another direction that this plot can take is killing Zodwa. On the latest episode, Zodwa visited the site where his father hung himself, and her father has been visiting her on her dreams. So I made my own analysis, and I think that Zodwa is going to take Mabusi's place on Umkhokha. I mean, since she has started having dreams of her father, maybe she'll be able to negotiate Mabusi's life for hers. I think that Zodwa will try and communicate with her father so that her father can spare Mabusi's life and take Zodwa's life instead. But these are just my thoughts. You guys are also allowed to share your thoughts on the comment section below. And this is the end of this video. Please like the video if you enjoy the content, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.